Well, here we are, Monday morning, another day of stock market manipulation. Fubo just manipulated to hell. It's just crazy. It's crazy how bad they manipulate this. So last time I made a video, we were looking at this 277 line here. And I thought we were going to get a bounce, but I mentioned if they break that, we're going to go towards the 250. They broke just below the 250, but you can see where they hit this 247 line. But bigger yet is this pennant or flag line. We got that bounce, eh? So I think this week's going to be huge. If institutions and retail, we get some buying, man, we could have a monster week with Fubo. Options chain is kind of crazy. You can see there's a lot of puts, I think, expiring this week. I think it's, I don't know, I didn't look this morning, I don't remember really, but I think it's like $5 calls too are up there for 17th. But I see there's quite a few building for January. So we'll see. I don't know, I think this week, I think this is going to be fire this week. I mean, the RSI, this is the hour chart. And look at how they just drove this down. And that's just pure manipulation. That's all it is. That's just abusing the hell out of off exchange. They just put up great big fake walls spoofing the ask. And all the buys and stuff end up going off exchange, you know. They do that. They do that like half price, you know. The hell am I thinking? Payment for order flow bullshit, you know. So it's manipulated. They just put a huge wall up on the ask and they just funnel everything off exchange. And well, except for the sells, you know, they run that through the exchange. But so you can see the hour chart, the RSI is way down. I mean, this is the 4 hour. I mean, look at that. That's just pure freaking manipulation there. But even the 4 hour RSI is way down. MACD, I think, is going to turn first thing this morning. So, and it's up a couple cents, but they're going to drive it down this morning here a little bit. You know, they always have that first morning push. That's the perfect time to jump in, is when they spike that down in the morning. You jump in, and if you wanted to get out at the end of the day, it's when it's been driving back up. But I think it's going to be fire this week. I really do. I just look at how many times. Now, this is the 4 hour chart. Look at how many times they've been down here. And shorts just haven't been able to get it below this. And I don't think they will. I really don't. You know, I will be shocked if they can somehow pressure this down back to the $2 range. $2 range. I just don't see it. So many institutions are bought in right at this level that they're just going to keep buying it up. And shorts just keep getting deeper and deeper and deeper. And they manipulate the shares so it shows like there isn't that much short interest. But all they're doing is trading shares amongst each other to, you know, to make it look like it's covered is what I'm saying. You know, on paper or, you know, people's little charts there or whatever, it shows, you know, oh, shorts covered 3 million shares. Ah, bullshit. I'll buy it from you, blah, blah, blah. Give them back to you later. So now we go, you know, we're 3 million less shorts one day, 4 million more shorts the next day. It's back and forth. But they only report it so often. So you got a 2-week window before, you know. So now media and everything, they can pay media to say, oh, shorts covered 5 million shares for 2 weeks. When actually, they just turned right around and shorted 5 or 6 million the next day. Now they got a week and a half, week and 3/4 that people think they covered, and they got that much. It's just crazy manipulation with media and different outlets like Bazinga's good for it, you know. That's all paid promotion bullshit, you know. So it's just manipulated, and it's crazy. It's crazy that the SEC lets them do that. And like I said before in another video, it's just one big organization working against retail. And that includes SEC and everybody else, and just my opinion, you know. So that's why that's the way I take it, so I don't take anything for granted, and I just go by price movement, you know. But I think Monster Week, I would prepare if I were you. I think we're going to have a monster week. I'm hoping. I got some options. Well, it doesn't matter. My options don't expire till January, so. But I'd like to see it run up. For sure. Well, we'll see what happens. And we'll see you in the next video.